Here, H.C. Verma Solutions, chapter number 3, Rest and Motion Kinematics, question number 40. So, in this question, what is given? First of all, see this. A bomb is dropped from a plane flying horizontally with uniform speed. Show that the bomb will explode vertically below the plane. Is the statement true if the plane flies with uniform speed but not horizontally? So in this question, two cases are there. What is the first case? Plane moves horizontally. And in another case, what is that? Here given. Is the statement true if the plane flies with uniform speed but not horizontally? But not horizontally means what is that? Make some certain angle. So here, first of all, we will discuss about the case 1. That is, here case 1. That is, what is this one? A bomb is dropped from a plane flying horizontally with uniform speed. So here uniform speed is nothing but acceleration becomes 0. So why? Because change in velocity becomes 0. So in that case, that acceleration is equal to 0. So in case 1, acceleration is equal to 0. Why? Because it is traveling with uniform speed, acceleration is equal to 0. Now here in case 1, what happens? During the motion of the bomb, the horizontal velocity u remains constant. See this. Here it is the plane flying horizontally. So from that a bomb is dropped. So that means at that particular instant of time, the plane velocity and the bomb velocity are equal. So due to that, what happens here? Bomb follows this path and plane follows this path. So then what happens here? Uniform speed. So that means plane also moving with uniform speed and bomb also moving with uniform speed. So that means what happens here? Distance traveled by the plane in certain time interval is equal to distance traveled by the bomb in certain time interval. That means both the times are equal. So then mean what happens here? Bomb will reach to that particular place here the time. So at this particular time, the bomb will explode exactly vertical to the plane. Why? Because distance traveled by the plane is equal to distance traveled by the bomb. See this one. Case 1. During the motion of the bomb horizontal velocity u remains constant and is same as that of aeroplane at every point of its path. So here during the motion of the bomb, the horizontal velocity u remains constant and is same as that of aeroplane at every point of its path. Suppose the bomb explodes, that is reaches the ground in the time t at this particular time. This is the bomb. Bomb explodes in time t. Distance traveled by the bomb horizontally is equal to distance traveled by the plane. That is equal to what is that? S is equal to ut plus half at square. Before only we discussed what is that? Uniform velocity. That means acceleration is equal to 0. So that means what happens? A is equal to 0. Substituting in this, S is equal to u into t. So that means distance traveled by the bomb horizontally is equal to distance traveled by the plane is equal to u into t. So hence what happens here? Both the distances are equal. Plane covers this much distance, bomb covers this much distance. Exactly vertically towards the plane. So the bomb explodes vertically below the aeroplane. This is the solution for case 1. Now in case 2, what happens here? In the question given, is the statement true if the plane flies with uniform speed but not horizontally? But not horizontally means what is that? It makes some certain angle. So the plane is moving like this. This is the plane. Plane is moving like this, makes an angle theta with the horizontal. So then what happens here? The plane path is like this. So here the plane is moving like this. Then here the bomb explodes. At the time bomb explodes, The speed of the plane is equal to the speed of the bomb. So the bomb follows the path like this and reaches to this particular point. Then what happens in this case? So here case 2. Here case 2. Case 2. Suppose aeroplane makes an angle theta with the horizontal for both bomb and aeroplane. Horizontal distance traveled is equal to u cos theta into time. That means horizontal, that is velocity, into time. So that means what happens here? Bomb reaches to the ground in certain time. So it covers the distance. Bomb covers the distance is equal to plane covers the distance. So that means the plane distance is equal to the bomb distance. So that means in certain time interval, distance traveled by the plane and distance traveled by the bomb are equal. At the time t, the bomb explodes. So that means exactly vertical to the plane, the bomb explodes. So in this case, horizontal distance traveled is equal to u cos theta into t. T is equal to time taken to reach the ground. So in this case, also bomb will explode vertically below the aeroplane. This is the solution for question number 40.